Chanan! I'm your new Gen communicator, Rebecca. And for today's episode, ating mapapakinggan ang opinion ng aking fellow Backup students patungkol sa kursong Bachelor of Arts and Communication. Tara!
You stepped inside with a vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh, girl, you talk like you walk. Come and talk to me.
Good day everyone! And kasama natin ngayon si Ate Winona. Bakit niyo po pinili ang comms?
Actually, hindi ko first choice ang comms. Pero, as the time goes by, is that napamahal ako sa comms syempre kasi I have background on filming, which I love it nung grade 12 ako. Kasi may film kami and then sakto yung comms na may filming din na subject. And then more on nagsasalita tayo, di ba? Nagre-present, nagre-report ganyan. So, yun, napamahal ako kasi nagdalera din naman ako. Ayan.
Actually, it was my first choice since high school. Nahumaling kasi ako sa ganda ng broadcasting. Ngayon, my teacher nung high school joined me sa broadcasting team ng school namin. And ayun, nahumaling ako sa ganda ng broadcasting and I know kasi na parang dito talaga yung forte ko. Kumbaga, parang dito ko ma-apply yung mga skills and talents ko. So, ayun, I chose comms and isa na din na reason is may yung kasama ko din kasi sa broadcasting team nung high school namin. Comms din kasi siya dito sa BSU. Kaya ayun, na-inspire lang ako sa kanya. That's why I chose this course, this program.
And so actually, I am a transferee and shifter po. Dati po akong development communication student. So when I transferred, na-communication po ako kasi I have always been a person that is parang makatao. I always like fighting for people and parang another way for fighting people or parang hearing the voices or being a voice to the voiceless, being a voice to other people is through taking up communication because in communication we learn skills na kunwari sa journalism, kung saan nag-interview tayo in BRRM, we do case studies, we do documentations na pinapakita natin ang buhay ng ibang tao and through that we also try to understand and pinapakita din natin sa ibang tao yung parang experiences ng others para mas naiintindihan nila ang perspective ng other people.
One myth or misconception is that like yung sinasabi nila kung na ang ingay lang pero walang ingay lang talaga no pero ayun nga gusto ko i-correct na tayong mga comms that yun nga na tayong mga comms may content or may may laman din dapat yung mga iniingay natin or sinasabi or sinishare natin information. Pero dapat, ayun nga, dapat totoo din yung sinishare natin mga information.
Siguro yung isang myth or misconception about sa ating comms is yung they only see us as comms lang or they simply think na comms is just purely talk na parang you just talk and that's it. Yun yung gusto kong itama na hindi lang siya basta ganun kasi it's beyond that. It's beyond just simply speaking na you also get to understand people, you get to speak or have a conversation with different kind of people and you get to tell stories. You just don't simply talk ngay like may purpose kung bakit tayo nagsasalita. Yun.
One myth actually in the communication field is that kapag nag-communication ka, dapat nasa broadcasting ka or dapat maging journalist ka, nasa journalism ka. But actually, there are so many professions that are available for communication students such as yung HR, pwede din actually ang mga office secretaries, administration aides, and many more actually. Kahit naman medyo lihis sa communication, basta na-apply mo yung mga natutunan mo dito, pasok siya.
Pinaka-memorable sa akin is yung theater production namin. Nung first sem ng third year. Kasi doon yung naging close kami with each other dun sa section namin. And then, maganda yung naging kalabasan din ng theater prod namin.
As a com, siguro yung recent na nangyari sa akin is yung pagkapanalo ko as Mr. College of Arts and Humanities 2026. It was actually a very big privilege for me to represent our department doon and actually win that. And ayun, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung journey up until sa MMPSU and I'm really hoping for the best as well to bring back the crown sa ating comms.
Memorable activity talaga is nung DRRM when we have the chance to go out to the community. We had a documentation po regarding doon sa landslide na nangyari noong 2018 I believe. Sa Itogon po. And nag-case study kami doon and nag-interview kami ng mga tao na naki-experience or nandoon, present doon sa landslide. And through that, parang, alam mo yung parang nakikita mo yung nung nangyari kasi yung landslide is parang maraming mga nasasabi about Itogon na nag-landslide daw kasi may mga nagmimina or hindi na inailagaan yung environment, ganon. And parang nung nandun kami to interview is syempre nasasabi ng mga tao yung perspective nila. Na yun yung sabi kanina na parang maganda yung gusto kong mag-home kasi gusto kong napapakinggan yung perspective ng ibang tao and through sa akin, parang akong nagiging bridge naman na parang ina-out ko naman yung mga perspective, yung mga opinion nila sa mga bagay-bagay such as yun, yung landslide sa Togon.
Siguro I have the skill na mag-edit pero mas napa-enhance pa. Na-enhance pa yung editing skill ko kasi like dati ng grade 12, nag-edit na talaga ako. Pero ngayon is that, yun nga, mas na-improve ko pa yung skill ko on editing. Ayan.
Skill siguro, the best skill siguro that I learned dito sa comms is, aside from being a good communicator, is that having comprehension. Kasi aside from communication is we as communication student, it is really crucial and it is really essential for us to have comprehension. For us to be able to understand the real stories behind of the happenings sa lahat na nangyari sa atin. Napaka-importante na aside from being a good communicator is dapat may comprehension tayo na intindihin yung mga lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa atin. Kasi kapag naiintindihan natin yung mga nangyari sa atin is we get to express more or deliver more yung mga messages na nais din natin iparating sa iba.
Actually, parang almost all of my skills ay na-enhance talaga. Lalo na ang parang public speaking or speaking up for myself or yung ganito lang na parang through taking up comm, naging very, very confident ako to speak up because of course din ang mga teachers, peers din, they are very encouraging din and ang ating department, they are very supportive of their students din po, no? And marami tayong mga activities na pwedeng pag-join-an na kung saan mas na-enhance pa talaga ang skills natin. Yun lang po.